ดเนี่ยตึงออกนี้ English ทำบอลส้มสวัสกุมตะกัน practice time page 53 yes let's go to the lesson unit 12 at the park practice time at the park แปลทานនៅឯឧទ្យានសម្រាប់អង្គុយលេងកំសាន្ត practice time ការហ្វឹកហាត់សំណួរនិងចម្លើយ okay listen repeat and practice ស្ដាប់ថាតាមនិងហ្វឹកហាត់ជាមួយដៃគូ K number 1 can it swim can it swim Yes, it can. Yes, it can. Yeah, number 2. Can you use chopstick? Can you use chopstick? No, I can't. No, I can't. Number 3. Can she fly a kite? Can she fly a kite? No, she can't. No, she can't. Number 4. Can he make a sandwich? Can he make a sandwich? Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Number 5. Can she do a cartwheel? Can she do a cartwheel? No, she can't. No, she can't. Number 6. Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Now everyone listen and translate. ស្ដាប់ហើយបកប្រែជាភាសាខ្មែរ Number 1. Can it swim? Can it swim? តើវាអាចហែលទឹកបានទេ Yes, it can. Yes, it can. បាទវាអាចហែលទឹកបាន Number 2. Can you use chopstick? Can you use chopstick? តើអ្នកអាចប្រើចង្កឹះសម្រាប់ញ៉ាំអាហារបានទេ No, I can't. No, I can't. ទេខ្ញុំមិនអាចប្រើចង្កឹះបានទេ Yeah. Number 3. Can she fly a kite? Can she fly a kite? Yeah. តើនាងអាចបង្ហោះខ្លែងបានទេ No, she can't. No, she can't. ទេនាងមិនអាចបង្ហោះខ្លែងបានទេ Number 4. Can he make a sandwich? Can he make a sandwich? Yeah, he can. Yes, he can. តើគាត់អាចធ្វើនំ sandwich បានទេបាទគាត់អាចធ្វើនំ sandwich បាន Okay, continue. Number 5. Can she do a cartwheel? Can she do a cartwheel? តើនាងអាចលោតបកចេកបានទេ No, she can't. No, she can't. ទេនាងមិនអាចលោតបកចេកបានទេ Number 6. Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar? ta nè ai lên guitar bàn tế yes I can yes I can bạn nhắm ai lên guitar ba and now let's do exercise all together I love you thưa lòng hátទាំងអស់គ្នា See listen to the question check correct answer ស្ដាប់សំណួរហើយគ្រីសនៅចម្លើយត្រឹមត្រូវ Okay let's start number 1 can she do a cartwheel can she do a cartwheel តើនាងអាចលោតបកចេកបានទេយើងមើលរូបភាព Okay មានន័យថានាងអាចបកចេកបានចុះចម្លើយ yes she can បាទនាងអាចលោតបកចេកបាន Okay do you understand continue number 2 can he play the guitar can he play the guitar yes he can no he can't number 3 can it swim can it swim yes it can no it can't number 4 can he use chopstick can he use chopstick yes he can no he can't yeah are you finished with this exercise yeah let's go and check the answer yeah everyone ស្ដាប់ហើយផ្ទៀងផ្ទាត់ចម្លើយ Okay number 1 can she do a cartwheel can she do a cartwheel យើងមើលរូបបានន័យថានាងអាចចេះចម្លើយ yes she can បាទនាងអាចលោតបកចេកបាន Okay number 2 can he play the guitar can he play the guitar the answer ចម្លើយគឺ no he can't ទេគាត់មិនអាចលេងហ្គីតាបានទេអ្នកស្ដាប់ជក់តិចហើយ Okay number 3 can it swim can it swim the answer yes it can yes it can បាទគាត់អាចហែលទឹក number 4 can he use chopstick can he use chopstick the answer no he can't no he can't បានន័យថាគាត់មិនអាចប្រើចង្កឹះបានអត់ទេ Okay yeah everyone check your exercise please are you okay yes thank you for watching this video អរគុណច្រើនដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះកុំភ្លេចចុចពាក្យ Subscribe ផងដើម្បីទទួលបានមេរៀនបន្តទៀតដោយស្វ័យប្រវត្តិសូមអរគុណ